Hello everybody, it's Boricua Bob and I'm back to share another workflow with y'all. This one is based on Sdxl Turbo. In the workflow, set it up with using a one button prompt just to be more efficient. The workflow is using the Sdxl conditioners for positive and negative prompts. And the first image that I got a result of was came out pretty cool. It's like a statue wearing a fur coat with some jewelry on. And now here, after I got the first image, the workflow has two advanced ksamplers. The first one has up to 4 steps, and the second ksampler, which does the latent upscale to 1K, has the remaining 4 steps to total 8. So here I'm actually just gonna go through the different width and heights for the Sdxl positive and negative prompts, just to show how the latent result changes slightly with each value of higher resolution that you go from 1K to 2K, 3K, and 4K. So this is the result of making the positive width and height be 2K. This now is making the positive width and height 3K. So you can see that some of the latent pixel values are shifting a bit, making the image a bit more coherent as well. And this is making the positive Sdxl conditioner node be 4K, which is what I typically use. And then here I'm just gonna change the CFG down to 1 to show that in fact the negative doesn't really work with a CFG value of 1. Here it is changing slightly because I had the CFG 1.1, but now if I add another or a few more negative text, it won't really change the result. Even weighting it up, the end result won't actually change. So here is, I'm getting the same result back. Now, I'm gonna go back up to 1.1 CFG, remove the negative prompt because you don't really need. And now I'm just gonna go through so this is kind of like getting a base again with a CFG value of 1.1. And now I'm gonna actually put in the blurry and worst quality negative prompt. And you can see it shifts a little bit, the image. Weighting it up, you can actually see it'll have a small effect as well. The end result. Just getting a bit more detail in certain parts of the image. So that's now without any negative, but even without any negative, if you increase the height and width of the negative Sdxl conditioner, you can see that very subtly some of the pixels in the image shift around a little bit, just giving a little bit of extra detail. And then the 4K for both width and height, Sdxl positive and negative conditioners. And you can see that some of the pixels shift around. So here I kind of go through just those last 4 image generations. Now I'm actually going to change the model to a new model that came out from SoCal artist who makes a lot of very cool Sdxl models on Civet AI. He just today released Turbo Vision XL. So here I again used the one button prompt, and I got a very cool prompt of a Pikachu in the winter and abstract art. And then I'm just going to put it through my workflow again. Once you get the one button prompt prompt, you can actually copy it into another Sdxl prompt styler, because I noticed once you attach the one button prompt to the positive section of the Sdxl prompt styler, it actually breaks, and if you disconnect it, it'll break and it won't actually have a proper working prompt anymore. So that's why I have two in the workflow. So now here I'm just going through the same kind of upscaling the width and height of the positive and negative conditioners, just to get a bit more detail on the end result. So now I'm actually going up to 12 steps total. So the first advanced ksampler goes from 0 to 6, and the second advanced ksampler goes for the rest from 6 to 12. But you can notice some of the edges of the character, they're not consistent, so it means that we just need to have a bit more denoise. So what I did was reduce the starting noise value to 5, and that way you get a denoise value of 0.58. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll come out in the future with more.